All right, thinking a little bit ahead here on this project, getting our kind of mind wrapping around a few steps. One of which is we got to replace this firewall that we cut out because, attached to it at least was the original throttle pedal. So we've got part of that figured out with a new one. This is going to be an electronic throttle pedal. It's going to go along with the drive-by-wire throttle. And if you've never seen one before, because it's usually way up under there, it's a normal pedal, but inside here is some sort of rheostat or position sensor. The computer sees that and then puts some kind of a factor to it on how much to open that throttle. And as we all know, in modern cars, you can get into them, and some of them are really saggy on the pedal. We can plan for it by using something like Pedal Commander. So once we mount this, we plug it in, we can use a simple device like this to get 36 different settings between soft, sort of eco mode, to city, to Sport Plus. Now, of course, we did a swap here, so this is going to let us dial our car in and our throttle pedal to the driver, because every build is different, every driver is different. Now, if you're doing swaps, restomods, this is huge, the Pedal Commander, because no matter what you're dropping in, an LS, a Hemi, a Coyote, you can dial yourself in with one of these little bad boys. All right, let me get back to the rest of this wiring, make sure we're sorted and have a game plan, get back to it.